Okay, even though this wasn't the matting that I wanted, I went ahead and bought it. I don't really care for it. It's kind of small, and I can't find the book that I thought I saved. Now, what I've done is I've cut strips, and they vary. I think these are about an inch. They just vary a little bit. Some are thinner, some are thicker. Now, what I do, let's see if I can show you here, is I just stick them through. I don't know, I stuck that one through the wrong way, but you know, I don't really think it's going to matter in the end. Now I just put fresh batteries in this thing. It's already showing me bad batteries. Okay. So, here's the start. It's kind of longer than I wanted, but the piece came in 3 foot by 60 inch diameter, and this is 1/4 of it. It's going to take a while. And all it is, guys, is t-shirts, t-shirt material. This is more polo looking, but it's t-shirt. Same with this one. Looks orange, but it's just varying degrees of t-shirts. And we all know we've got t-shirts that this one was given to me because it's got this little bleach. Okay, here we go. I've been working on a little bit today, added some colors. This is definitely going to be time consuming, but it's okay. Gives me something to do when the baby ain't here. I would say though, if you're going to do it, I'd be cutting up t-shirts for a while before you started. I'm kind of varying the thicknesses and the lengths of them right now. I may end up trimming them off, I don't know. But it's going to be pretty heavy. Definitely going to be pretty heavy. Guess I ought to get it in the light.
It was like a horror movie for a second.
I went from like stupid to like...
So, that's what I got so far.
Liquor and party.
I went and cut up a bunch of them just now. So, alright ladies. It has begun.